And it's mostly filled with pop culture references. Top slot. And a 50x multiplier upgrade.
Boyfriend. Good, ladies and gentlemen, with the 50 national top slot. There we go. Everything or nothing right here.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
The welcome. Hey, and welcome. Thank you, Simon. Hello there. How are you doing? Time for a spin. Let's go, guys. What are your sessions, Annie? What do you mean? It's only started. All right, guys. Time for a spin. Let's see what's gonna be now. Only one, not only, but last 3 times in a row. Yeah, we get number 1, and that could be 1 of major sections on the wheel. 2 acts of crazy time top slot. I'm a single lady. I'm a single lady. Oh. Stop there, don't move, honey. Yes, we got that crazy time with 2 acts from the top slot. Let's go. Here we go. Welcome everyone, guys, to Crazy Time bonus round. 2 acts from the top slot from the beginning. Boom, let's double all our multipliers on the wheel. And that will be spin time. But first, yeah, guys, choose the flopper which you think can bring you the highest multiplier. Green, blue, and yellow. Or yellow. Yes, 5 seconds for you. Here we go! Boom! Good luck! What? Look at that! 50, 200 acts for the yellow flopper.
This is the amount of money issued: 304,499 euros.
Alright, guys, 6,800 winners. Congratulations, and even time yours. Here we go. 200 acts for the yellow flopper. Nice beginning leg for me.
384 euro win. Incredible job out there. Betting time is yours now. Make your move for the next round, please. Bets are closed. Top slot, none. That's a cash on. 5 times multiplier. 7 players. What's your favorite movie franchise? Is it Star Wars? Is it Star Trek? Cash on. Let's go, players. Welcome to Cash On. On this wall, you'll find a couple of multipliers. Let's make some improvements to them. Top slot, thank you. 5x. Oh, nice. Maximum multiplier right here, right now is worth 500x. Good luck, players. Hello, D Robot Hunter. Good day to you. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, decision time is yours now. Please get ready. Let's see how you go. Or should I say, let's see how you do. Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen. Enjoy your winnings. Buy something nice.
This is the amount of money issued: 290,216 euros.
That 50x multiplier, or was it 375x? Well, congratulations nonetheless. Well played. Betting time is available, players. And now bets are closed. Thank you.
Hi Jay, hi everybody, and welcome. Good evening. So if you are guys talented, if you do have this special gift as by the fantastic voice, don't be scared. I know that there's like a million other people who can sing. Okay, maybe not that much, but every single voice is specific and unique, and you have a chance to reach up the heights. Good luck. It's a coin flip, 10 times multiplier. Okay, how to show. Come on. Slow down, hold on. Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, boom, shakalaka, woo! That's a coin flip at a 10 times top slot. Let's go. As hello there and welcome. 2 sides of the coin. 2 quad multis. 2x up to the 100x could apply. We do have enough 20x in a red, 3 in a blue. 10 times multiplier, so 200x in red, 30 in a blue. Please, Team Red, good luck to you. Team Red, woo! Ladies and gentlemen, boom, shakalaka, woo! That's what I'm talking about. We got a 200x. What?
This is the amount of money issued 991,839 euros.
With a 22,000 win. That's what I'm talking about. Beautiful. That was the pressure, not gonna lie. Under pressure, Mary flips the coin. Under pressure, but we got it.
542 players wins game. Hello, Gets. Hey, dude, if you can ready this, what's the last two pachinko? Oh, my memory is not that good. I already have erased it from my memory banks. I only have 30 gigabytes of memory in my mind. That's close, thank you. And it's mostly filled with pop culture references. Top slot, pachinko, 50 times multiplier, players. And pachinko has arrived, players. All right, let's go. Players, what? You act like this is your first pachinko. Stop it. 3x. 5, 7, 10, 15, 20, 50, and a 50x multiplier upgrade. Not too bad. Not too bad. Whoa! Look at all these lightsabers. All right, ladies and gentlemen, maximum multiplier is worth 2,500x. I want to see it. So, man, there's so many numbers that I cannot decipher. What's up? What? 150x multiplier. Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen.
This is the amount of money issued 478,060 euros.
16,651 euro win for you. God is great, BR05 and Con. My compliments on your success. Bets are open now. Ready to go again? Coco Luca, not bad. Hey, I'm glad you appreciate it. You know, it's
All of you, bets are open and best of luck in the next round. Players, don't forget about the multiple option, which might help you save a little bit of time. Perhaps even let you out on a short break without missing out on any wins that may appear during the time. Common also done, so yeah, basically the shift manager. Nice, brother, nice. Great sound with the 5x top slot. Come on. It's been a little bit rough on the bonus.
This is the amount of money issued 74,655 euros.
Hear me now. Yeah, hello. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. We got the list.
Betting time. Also, ladies and gentlemen, don't forget about the autoplay option as well. Let's go. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, and the very next day, you gave it away. This year, I don't know the lyrics. Topslot, crazy time with 5x. I know I am terrible singer, but who cares, right? No way! Crazy time with 5x! Woo! Let's go. Oh, 5x. Nice. Ladies and gentlemen, so decision time. You need to choose one of the flapper. Green, blue, yellow, which one do you like the most? And of course, blue is the most popular one. Maximum multiplier is 500x. Woo! Oh, double on green flapper. Hey. Maximum multiplier 1000x. Green, 100x on blue.
This is the amount of money issued 128,791 euros.
Congratulations, Incomplets. Can I go back? Betting time. Please place your bets. I almost fell. No, my head is a little bit like a helicopter.
He's loading. Yes, it's most tricky one. Like a topic, you know. Speaking about the love. You know what I like for a boyfriend? No? And what do you like? What is, from your opinion, most important in a boyfriend? On top off for the Pachinko, we get a 15x. No way, ladies and gentlemen. Woohoo! Pachinko with a 15x. There we go. And well, are you ready to become rich and catch some powerful multipliers? So, like, you know, shoot forward. Woohoo! How much multipliers? Well, doesn't matter. I'm already happy, you know, about 15x. 10, 15, 20, 25, 50, 200, ladies and gentlemen, with the 15x on the top spot. There we go. Everything or nothing. Right here, right now, we can become rich. Woo, let's go. Thanks. So the highest one multiplier, 3,000x. Best wishes and good luck for everyone. There we go. Words, please. 3,000x. Do it. I believe in you. It was so close. No way. 300x. Compliments. We get winners. 1,709.
This is the amount of money issued 232,257 euros.
Close to the 3,000x. Yikes. Could be, you know. It could be my deal. Even in like own record in crazy time.
No, at least 300x, still juicy, but it was really close to get a 3,000x. They